everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures, and I am back with part 3 of the hospital rummage sale, and it's not stopping anytime soon. So we're just gonna jump into it. These are the things that I think are a little bit older and one of a kind. I'm very excited about. This was $3, little leather case, and it's got this glass jar in there that's fluted. And then these two, I think, shot glasses or little cups fit on top. They're silver on the outside and gold on the inside. So I think it was a little portable flask with cups to share. That's what I'm guessing. This caught my attention right away because her face is so cute. It says Armless Cupie, Japan, $4. And she has a silk wedding dress on, made with some silk ribbon, little train there, crepe paper around her neck, and some little flowers. And I think her face is so cute. And on the back, if you pull this down, it does say Made in Japan. So I thought I was going to put her in the guest bedroom, but I think I'm going to put her with my collection of brides and grooms. But I don't have a Cupid doll, so now I do. This cut glass toothpick holder was $1, and these are very useful to have to put stick pins, display jewelry, hold little scissors or things that you use for crafting, just create some height or corral things in a display. And it's nice and heavy. It's got that fabulous polished base and beautiful facets. This was how much? $1.50. Cute little basket, very small. That could actually be neat to put, and maybe that's what it originally held, was maybe salt and peppers. Or this is our little prayer cube that we use. But I thought it was cute. There are some markings. I don't see the lion and I don't see the anchor, so it's probably just silver plate. This piece was $1.50. It's in great shape. This little creamer got iridescence to it. Well, I think it's got like a little hairline chip right there, a crack, but you can't really tell. And I picked it up as a vessel for a sculpture. Does it say Bavaria? So maybe that mermaid I was talking about, she could be sitting on the edge of this. I thought that would be fun. A piece of lace that actually just keeps going and going. There's no end to it. It's just like an infinity scarf. So this rose, let me see if I can back up a little bit. There we go. So it was only 75 cents. And I like to pick up this older lace. When I got home, I just realized it's like an infinity scarf. So it's kind of wild how it's all connected. I guess you just cut it for whatever you want. But this is applied on top because you can see the pattern on the back. Nice condition there. $1 for this 4-piece set. It's a bed. What was that? A wardrobe, a lamp, and a stool. And that is made in occupied Japan. I'm very excited about these shoe clips. They were $5 each. Of course, I see eyes in those, or even little spider webs, but I see eyes, lots of rhinestones. I don't see any markings on the back. And then this set with the flower, looks a little brass underneath. Looks like somebody put something on top, maybe Velcro, and had it displayed a certain way. I don't know. Sometimes it's fun to just put things together like that. There were 2 jewelry caskets. This one was $1.50 and this one was $2. They're in great shape. This one even has the original silk. It's really good on top. and then the bottom it has shattered a bit, but very clean, especially since this like cotton wool or whatever it is that adds the padding, it's not discolored or brown. It is very vibrant with its color. And this one, someone has removed it. It's tall on those tall legs. And this one, pansies and just these squirrels. I think it's beautiful. $1.50 and $2. I can't believe it. I just thought these were funny. Made especially for you by me. And I thought, that's great. Anybody could use these. I took the price tag off of these, but they were only $1. And I thought they were really cute, and in that packaging, I would have guessed they were plastic. And I turned it over and it says handmade Bavarian glass surgical steel posts. So I guess they're glass. And Bavaria, isn't that a like state in Germany? I thought those were pretty cool. Thought my daughter might like them, or maybe for St. Patrick's Day I'll have these with some of those little shamrocks from the previous haul. Okay, so one of my favorite finds, and I'll just tell you the price first, $3 for 6 of these. I saw these like this, and I said, ooh, red and white, you caught my attention. And when I reached to pick them up, like they were upside down like this, and however it was, it must have been this way, when I slipped my hand under to get them, the fingers underneath, I could feel some texture, and I said, oh, these are monogrammed. So that looks like probably a J and an H. And I haven't even opened them or anything, but that kind of made my day. I mean, I was very excited about my jewelry finds, but these, oh goodness, I love them. 2 bags of buttons. These were $2 and these were $2, and I'm excited to go through them. And here I can see some little mother of pearl sewn on a card. And it'll just be fun to go through those. Five cards and envelopes for 75 cents. And I just loved that, probably screen printing, or maybe, yeah, I don't feel a texture, so I'm thinking screen printing versus letterpress. But I can see that the card is even like a rag edge. So everything looks nicer out of the envelopes. It's a nice envelope. Very lightweight paper and card. Are they exactly the same? No, they're different. So possibly handmade, but the back is stamped this. F-R-O-S-T-I. This hand towel was $1, and it has some of the knots. I don't know what makes something candle wicking versus French knots, but it has knots. It's got these flowers. I thought the purple stripes were so cute. So this is something that I will send to Pam, because it was in such good condition. I know people always say, oh, I love your linens. And I just thought somebody would love to have that. And while most of this stuff is for me, some of the stuff I will send to her and group together in lots. And I will say it actually has been like a ton of fun to pick up some things and put them together, and then excited for other, people to get them. Beautiful shape. And this was a find. Graphic image, brand new, $4 in the box. It is a notepad, magenta. This is what it looks like. So this one says 2015. I have a small one that I paid $14 for. So This is the one that I have. It's like a Tiffany blue. It's smaller. I paid $14 for it, brand new, years and years ago, and I sparingly use it. So I still have a lot of pages left because the refills for the small, $32 for refills. And I just can never like do it. I just crazy. And the reason why I just cannot believe that I found this for $4 is when I first bought this and thrifted it, look at the price tag from at the store, $77 just for this. And then once you use the pad, you have to buy $30 refills. So this has to be at least $100. I got it for $4. And there's a lot of paper in there. That was a nice find. I'm gonna cut the button bags open, and if there's anything spectacular, I will come back to share it with you. I really do love to find the carved mother of pearl, but I also like the fact that some are probably originally sewn and never used, those teeny tiny ones. So we'll see what's in there. I would say most of these are plastic. This was a big chunky one, maybe off of a coat. There was some city police buttons. This looks very similar to a buckle that I almost purchased. That was at the sale. Little like nickel design, but not just button. And this is a ceramic one with gold, got bamboo. And then it's hand painted on the back, I think. Japan. That was a neat one. And then there was a flower pearl one, little small pearl one. And then these definitely were just originally sewn because that design was on a lot of those cards, button cards back in the day. There was a lot more in the other bag. And I really like some of these with the metal on the back. There was some glass. That was different. So I wonder if that was a button. Well, you know, like a different type of button. So I think that's going to be it for this video, and I will be back with more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. I forgot the item that fell on the floor. It was 50 cents. I think the illustration is so much fun. Coca-Cola, Guinness, Wrigley's, Healthful, Delicious, Cary Grant, Julie Christie, In, The Return, CinemaScope, Empire. And then it says Thai Fu Tea, Senior Service, Deluxe, Pain maybe, Booth's Gin, Players, and it's a matchbook. Piccadilly, matches only made in Austria. How fun. And then there's the back.